Find the value of n. We have a situation whereby we have subtraction. Look here. A number minus 6 is equals to 12. Okay, a number minus 6 is equals to 12. Now in the other tutorial, I didn't show you that there's another way of doing this thing here, whereby you can shift, go to the next side. I mean, probably that for further tutorials though. In your mind, you're going to think of a number, alright, a number that's greater than 6, and when you subtract 6 to it, when you subtract 6 from it, when you subtract 6 from it, you're going to get 12. So, but what you can do, you can say, okay, 6, you can add 12 to 6 to get that number, and see whether your answer is correct. Okay, so when you add 6 and 12, you should get 18. Subtract 6 from 18 and see whether you're going to get 12 back. Okay, and that should work. So 6 from 18 is 12. So your answer n is equals to what? N is equals to 18. Or what you can do, you have n minus 6 is equals to 12. What you can do, since there is a subtraction sign, minus 6, you're going to add 6 on both sides to get rid of that 6. When I add 6 to that, you're going to get 0. Now you're going to work in negative numbers, because the thing is, negative 6 plus 6, okay, or minus 6 plus 6 will give you 0. So n will be by itself, and n is equals to 18. Of course, 12 plus 6. I add 6 here, I add 6 here. I add 6 on both sides. So I add 6 here, will give you 0, and I add 6 to the 12 to give me 18. So n is equals to 18. You add 6 on both sides. The other way, and the way that I really like, is to shift to that side. You shift to that side, okay, so n is equals to shift the 6 to that side, then it will be 12 plus 6. Once you shift to that side, the negative becomes positive. So I'm going to shift it, and it's going to be n is equals to 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. That's the other way in doing that. I didn't show you it here, but that's the other way in doing it, whereby you can just shift to the next side. That's when you reach higher level, secondary school level, etc. and so on. Another example here, we're going to see another example here. 6 is equals to n minus 14. Okay, 6 equals to n minus 14. And you say to yourself, what number, okay, what number 14 going to subtract from to give me 6? And what you can do, you can just add the 6 plus the 14. You're going to get 20. And then work it out to see if you're going to get 6. So 20 minus 14, 14 from 20 is equals to 6. So 6 is equals to 6. N is equals to, therefore n here is equals to 20. Okay, n is equals to 20. The other way in doing that, of course, you can just shift the 14 again. You shift the minus 14 to that side, so it will be positive. When you shift the 14 to that side, it becomes positive. So negative 14 shift to that side will be positive 14, so it will be 6 plus 14 to give me 20. Okay, that will be your answer. The other way here, you have 6 equals to n minus 14. Since it's a negative 14, to get rid of this 14 here and have n by itself, so you add 14 on both sides. So it's negative 14 plus 14 and plus 14 here. So it will be 6 plus 14 is equals to n minus 14 plus 14. This here, minus 14 plus 14, will give you 0. So 6 plus 14 is 20, so n is equals to 20. So you add 14 on both sides. Yeah. Once you have a subtraction sign, you add the number on both sides. Subtraction 14 here, subtract 14, you add 14 on both sides. Watch it. Again, look. You have minus 6. So what you do, you add 6 on both sides, so that you can get rid of that 6 here and n by itself. Yeah? So it's very important to know that, people. Very, very important to know that. To get rid of that 14 here, you just add 14 on both sides. Take out this. Okay, add 14 on both sides. 6 plus 14, that's 20.